In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Etsy gift card. Whether you're celebrating a birthday, a holiday, or just want to surprise someone who loves handmade and vintage finds, an Etsy gift card is a quick and thoughtful choice. I'll walk you through the entire process from the homepage to checkout with a few practical tips to make sure everything goes smoothly. Start by opening Etsy in your web browser. On the homepage, look for the gift cards link. Depending on your device, you'll typically find it in the main navigation or near the footer. Click it to open the gift card page. Here, you'll see preset gift amounts you can choose from. Pick the amount that fits your budget. If the presets don't match what you have in mind, look for the custom amount option and type in the exact value you'd like to give. Keep in mind that minimums and maximums may vary by region, and the currency shown will follow your Etsy settings, so it's a good idea to confirm it matches what you intend. Next, choose a delivery method. You can usually send the gift card by email, which delivers a digital code to the recipient or to you, or select a print-at-home option that generates a PDF you can print and hand-deliver. If scheduling is available, you can pick a future delivery date, which is handy for timing a surprise. Double-check your time zone when scheduling, so it arrives when you expect. Now fill in the recipient's details. Enter their name, their email address if you're sending it digitally, and add a personal message. Keep your note warm and clear, and make sure the email address is accurate to avoid delivery issues. If you're printing the gift card instead, the message will appear on the PDF. In the From field, type your name exactly as you want it to appear to the recipient. If you're gifting on behalf of a family or a group, you can write a shared name so they know who it's from at a glance. When everything looks good, click Buy it now. You'll be taken to checkout to sign in, or create an account if needed. Choose your payment method and review your order. Before you place the order, confirm the amount, delivery method, and recipient details one more time. After purchase, Etsy delivers the gift card based on your chosen method. If it's emailed, remind the recipient to check spam or promotions folders just in case. For any regional availability, currency, or policy details, refer to Etsy's gift card terms on the site. And that's it. Your gift is on its way.